I've now made a playlist for the series, link in the description. Welcome to Pack Tactics. I'm Kobold, I'm playing a Beastmaster for Infinite Web. And here are my friends from Tabletop Builds, link in the description for their sites. All of us normally make D&D 5e optimization content, but for fun we thought we should at least beat Act 1 together. Daniel is playing a Storm Sorcerer Land Druid, Justin is a Fiend Warlock Storm Sorcerer, and Evelyn is a Light Cleric Conjuration Wizard. Anyways, let the fun begin!
Do you mind if I have those boots now so I can go into webs to position pushing people better?
Please?
Please.
Oh, you're nice.
Someone else needs to start combat.
My friend.
You're nicer than the Githyanki who said no.
Push the raven.
Shoot the hyenas. Alright, I guess we're...
Oh, I should have taken...
I mean,
This feels kind of sad.
I'm dying, I'm bloated.
Whoa.
That's how gnolls are born.
Really?
I'm out of dying hyenas.
What?
Oh.
Like that, yeah. All at once.
I didn't know that's how it worked.
Okay. Alright. Let's shoot this one in front.
Alright, I'll go last.
Feel free to knock him back though. Oh.
Oh nice, I froze the blood. There's a lot of blood around here.
Freezing blood is really nice, actually.
Skullcard! Oh.
That's new. Sudden rush.
Uh-oh.
They countered a web? No.
The two of them got in webs, so...
What does sudden rush
Skill
do?
issue. It's
Movement speed
just
increased by
dash.
60 feet, and moving doesn't provoke opportunity attacks.
What are you saying hey about?
3 of them are now stuck in web.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Oh, there's one regular hyena. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Usually that if we started the combat with the bottom ones, that one
you can just web here. The bird
did the middle of
immune, so-
everyone.
Gotcha, that makes sense too. The bird doesn't get into webs because it's flying.
Gonna get into melee, so I'm just gonna enter.
This game really likes the Underdark because most of the really good things are spiders, webs, make more spiders again, drow, and half drow.
Just gonna put another weapon in the way, I think.
Sounds good. Yeah, I don't think they have very good dex saves because they just keep failing. Yeah, the dex is only 12. And they don't have proficiency in it either.
Need to find a way forward.
That guy's still back there.
It's really funny how druids don't have their like iconic spell conjure animals, but they are the webcaster in this game.
It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, what is more broken, the infinite web or conjure animals, viewers? I really want to know.
Yeah.
I think you already know the answer.
No, I want to hear their opinion, not...
Well, you see,
The opinion of Pack
One of
Tactics
them
is
does.
always wrong, you see, so...
one of
you
them
need the
does
viewers'
damage
proof.
and the other one doesn't, and clearly, if you kill a
which is
combat
better.
slowly like this and deal less damage,
So far
then-
I've dealt 0 damage, right? So I am not doing anything.
yeah, clearly you're doing nothing.
Clearly, you need melee characters in this game. You hear that, viewer? You need melee characters. Like Monk.
Yeah.
Monk is really good and important.
Should I
At
web
least-
towards my side or the other side? I don't know where they're gonna run. I don't know if it's obvious.
your side, because I have jump, I can just leave.
Sure.
If they decide to come towards me, then okay. This is how you use web. This is how web is broken in this game. You're either a ranger with the spider companion, or you're a druid that turns into a spider.
Yeah.
I expected this to be broken, but it's like really broken.
It's extremely broken.
Oof.
He got shoved so far back.
Yeah.
It's really funny that they have to make a save against ensnared for your Eldritch Blast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's a thing.
Also, it's funny that they buffed Eldritch Blast. It is not 10 feet push, it is 15.
Yeah, I don't know if it applies to every beam though. I haven't checked.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's fine either way.
I think.
Let's see at 5.
No, he's not in it yet.
Gonna put a weapon in front of you, Brian.
Why? He's dead.
So,
What?
He's
there's another one.
he's basically
There's
dead.
like more creatures. Right?
No, there's one of them.
Oh, I
He's still
don't have a
alive.
ranged weapon. Like.
Thank you. You
You
leveled
leveled
up.
up.
Repelling Blast is always my favorite thing.
What the heck?
We?
I didn't level up.
You
Like
didn't?
this-
No.
Everyone,
because
that
you
damn
guys-
one book you read.
No,
Yeah.
I leveled up too.
Well, we both got inspiration. Inspiration gives experience.
We can't like wave or anything. We can only.
I don't think there's emotes, sadly. I guess it's not the game of the year.
No.
Can't do the Fortnite dance.
I can't even pet the spider. What the heck?
There's a dog you can pet.
What?
Where?
Why would I pet a dog when I can pet a spider?
You can't pet the spider though.
What's in here?
Whoa!
What?
What?
I found a ring of +2 stealth and +2 sleight of hand. Well, when we make the build videos, I'll pick that up.
We make build videos.
Yeah, we're gonna make some build videos.
Okay.
At least
Justin,
2 of them.
hurry up!
I just spawned in. Shut your whore
Hurry
mouth.
up! Hurry up!
I'm gonna walk instead of running to you.
Can you show me
Kill
where
you.
that ring was, Brian?
Where was it?
Wait a second before you do the dialogue, then, Justin, because Brian is
wait.
busy.
So you see that skeleton right there?
Oh, it was on the skeleton.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Makes it easy.
Yes, the level 1 barbarian at the front line of the blood war.
Sake.
Karlach!
Things as far as the eye can see.
I don't like her. She
Guess
keeps
that
swearing all the
explains
time.
voices.
Just bleep her out, bleep her
That's my
out.
wife.
You've made
We should
someone
kill her.
else
It's our
everything
wife.
sorted. You already know I fought in the Blood War. I was good at killing demons. Really good. So good, Zariel, the archdevil herself, made me her personal attack dog.
Average level 1 backstory.
I played along until I could get the out of
Yeah.
here.
All of it.
Karlach!
It took me 10 years to probably escape, but now I am
Never
free.
fight a Saiyan wizard, bro.
Zariel sent goon after goon to hunt me down. But believe me when I tell you,
It took me
I'm
10
not
years to
going.
get back to the wizard.
The latest yappy
I have to get my
bullshit
soundboard
system
working to
nearby.
bleep her out.
A
After
group of
2
dopes
encounters,
posing
you're
as
out of
paladins
rage.
of Tyr. Want to help me take them down?
Yeah, sure.
Fuck yes.
Come on.
No, stop.
What the hell?
You're gonna make me rage, Karlach. I don't even have that ability.
Don't get to any of the fun stuff without me. Got it?
I like her.
I like her too.
I don't like her. She swears.
Yeah, that's the only part I dislike.
Yeah,
Well, if
I
I'm
have
playing
to edit
without
it out.
YouTube, then it would be fine.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
She's not being put in the video. Forget it.
Ma'am, where are you going?
Oh, I just
Your
called
viewers
her. I
don't
thought she
deserve
was a
her. She's
player.
mine. She doesn't know
Ma'am.
where she's going either.
Mom, where are you
Man,
going?
you
Mom?
need directions to our campsite.
Mom.
Oh, is she just gonna go bonk these guys?
Maybe? Yeah.
She's running in there. I
would
think
you follow
she's.
her?
I think we should, yeah.
Yeah.
Save Karlach.
Oh, I thought you
Oh.
meant save the game. I'm sorry.
That too.
That's probably smart too.
I don't know why I
Wait,
would just ask.
But she's not here. Where is she?
Where did she
Did
go?
she
she
run
gone?
through them?
She just teleported
What?
to the camp, probably.
Oh, they're all part of the like quote unquote paladins of Tyr.
You can throw her off the roof.
We can Eldritch Blast her off.
Yep. Okay. Time to... So, to pickpocket, you just need to hide, and then click on her.
Justin, are you gonna go up too to Eldritch Blast?
Alright. Oh my god.
Full
There's a
edge,
lot of stuff. Okay, so just grab everything?
Try to get the explosives first, like the smoke powder bomb.
Smoke pack.
It looks like a grenade.
Well, that's interesting.
There's like alchemical fire in there. There's some other stuff.
Holy water, resistance.
Yeah,
acid
everything.
valve.
Yeah, steal that stuff because she's gonna throw it at us. If she doesn't die instantly. You can try and take other things. They just have higher DCs. There's no limit in this game for how much you can steal. It's literally just, can you succeed the sleight of hand check? So if we want to like maximize theft, we can just have Daniel cast. Yeah, okay, so time to kill her.
Hopefully you're a better fighter than you are a pig.
Oh, she only went there.
If we want to maximize theft, we can have Daniel cast enhance ability on. Nice.
Where should I web? Up above or down below? I don't know which way they are gonna go.
I cannot see where they are.
I guess the area here gets both of them. Just don't walk close to the edge.
What area is here? I cannot see where you're targeting.
Like in the middle here.
Sure. Okay.
Oh no.
What?
Hunter's mark.
Oh no.
Oh, she's upstairs. Okay, I didn't see that.
Whoa, she's taking cover. That's cheating.
Wow, what a gamer.
Web downstairs as well, just in case, or... I think I heard the...
Probably, yeah.
Hopefully I'll be able to Eldritch Blast them off from up here easily. I mean,
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Paladin is going downstairs, it seems. I mean, they're all Paladin, but like the actual guy with Paladin knows.
The actual Paladin guy.
Big paladin.
I wanted to climb this ladder.
Stop moving the camera, game. I want to see what's going on with the other guy. Won't delay me. Oh, that's also good. Yes.
Here we go again.
She's
It's
there.
gonna burn
I can
that
see
one.
her.
No, it shouldn't. She's out of range. Nah.
How's she gonna do damage to me without her hunter's mark?
Impossible.
I don't know.
Without
She'll
Hunter's
never do
Mark,
damage.
Rangers don't do damage.
Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, you don't use Hunter's mark enough.
Ooh, this is a good position for the Paladin for us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
I don't know if that ladder's gonna save him though.
I don't know either.
I'll go to the
Ooh.
corner.
Oh, that's unlucky.
17.
Yeah, I'll get the ranger.
Yeah, if any.
I'm gonna place a web over here, okay, guys? Don't go
Good
walk
too.
there.
Hand crossbow.
Yeah.
Unlucky.
I wish it gave like a push indicator, like when you actually shove someone to tell where they're gonna go.
That would be nice.
That would be cool.
Oh, we just didn't do anything.
Cool.
Should I place a web even closer to us, or just end turn? A web even closer to us may mess us up. I'm just gonna end turn. Oh!
He's dead.
All the way. 40 damage.
Alright, you guys leveled up.
Bodies too.
4 scrolls of Revivify. Okay.
Also, I'm the one who has to go
Nice.
for the.
Can you tell me if your long strider and jump are rituals?
No, it doesn't give me the ritual tag. Quick correction, Rangers can ritual cast Longstrider and jump in this game. In the level up screen, it doesn't tell you what spells are rituals. I really hate when games hide information from me. Anyways, now you know, and I do highly recommend having those 2 spells on the Ranger rather than a full caster. Back to the video. Alright, there we go. Now, feet, sharpshooter. There we go. Easy option.
These webs last forever.
Yeah, it does. It lasts more than 10 rounds.
Yeah,
So I guess it's just
definitely.
kind of morbed all over the place. I got a potion of speed.
Did you say just kind of morbed all over the place?
Yeah, I did say that.
You said it really quickly. You're like, oh, sorry guys, I just morbed all over the place.
Yeah. Take whatever you want out of my inventory to sell or pick up.
That's what I'm doing.
Has somebody already been in the basement?
No.
Brian.
You're in the basement. I don't know. I just registered you as an NPC.
NPC
Yeah, and I'm like, oh, NPC friendly spider. I don't know why I did that. It's a giant spider.
I also don't know.
End of video. If you want this series to continue past Act 1, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!